Hey everyone, this is Glade. We are at the North American Honeybee Expo in Louisville, Kentucky. Thought I would walk you around a little bit, show you what's going on here. This is at the Kentucky Expo Center. Sorry, sun in my eyes. And there are tons of people here. So let me flip you around here and show you what's going on. Okay, we're here in the foyer area just to kind of give you an idea of some of the places on the map. There's people from as far away as Brazil and Argentina, and several pins in Europe. Looks like there's one from Japan. And then we'll get to the other side, which is from the US. And looks like there's just 3 of us from Utah so far. Looks like probably Salt Lake and myself and maybe somebody from Cedar City. And it looks like most everybody else is east of the Mississippi. So they've got some Merc here for the Bee Expo. Let's walk into the show vendor hall. This place is huge and lots going on here. I'm just going to walk around a little bit and show you what's going on here. I think every bee vendor that's anywhere in the U.S. and a few out of the U.S. are here. So some of the cool things here. This is the Stream Team's booth. Greg Burns, Brian Cooper, and Bruce Jenny. They'll be doing several casts throughout the show. This is Premier Bee Products with their Propel hive. These are the hives that I purchased. They've got some just awesome boxes. One of the things, gotta see if I can find one real quick, that they've done new is that they've roughed up the interior of the boxes and let the bees propelize the inside of the boxes. And we just listened to a talk by Marla Spivak on the benefits of doing something like that. So let's walk down the aisle here. This is Phoebe Snyder with UBO for some hygienic testing. Very interesting research going on here. It'll be interesting to get this product and kind of test your bees and see how hygienic they are. Hive Tracks, their hive tracking software company. Just several. This is the University of Guelph and Paul Kelly with some of their stuff from some of these frames are kind of cool. They've got pictures on them for bees and bee diseases and all sorts of things. Let's walk down the way here. There's Thorn Manufacturing. Get down here a little bit. These guys have some nice warming tanks, uncapping tanks and spinners. Of course, the big bee suppliers. This is Miller Bee Supply. Hive IQ. These guys have some insulated styrofoam boxes, plus some interesting designs on their bottom boards, and just a way different some way different concepts for migratory beekeepers as well as the backyard beekeepers. There's Corey Stevens. Good to talk to him and spend a minute with him. Appreciate him for.
We're having a good time here.
We're having a good time. Great. Thanks. Where? Oh. Here's Bruce Jenny. He's taking photo ops, so we'll leave him alone and not bug him too much.
What is this?
Looks like a screen bottom board. Yeah, it's a screen bottom board. Double screened.
Double screen.
Oh. So you can use that as a double screen board over your nook. Cool stuff. Here's David Burns and the Bee Squad. Who else we got here? Oh, if you haven't seen one of these Apimae hives, these are cool hives. Insulated hive with a hard coating outside. I have a couple of these and I quite like them. Mine are these full-size frames. They've got feeders on top, and quite like these hives. They're cool. Here's Cowan. There's probably, just in their booth alone, there's probably several $100,000 worth of extracting equipment if you're a big beekeeper. Here's one of their full Cowan line 60 frame extractors, wax spinners, you name it, they've got it. Let's see who else we've got around here. Here's Corey Stevens' booth. And Corey, oh, should we step in this bee extraction trailer? This is kind of neat. So here's a trailer for extracting your honey. Pull the trailer around, extract your boxes, and pull your frames out, extract, throw them in the extractor, and looks like maybe a capping spinner. So put your extracting process on wheels and have at it. Let's see who else we've got down here. Oh, free there, yeah. So we've got Global Patties, we've got Pierce, they've got some great heated knives and heated comb cutters. Global Patty makes some great patties with real pollen in it, and the Apis Biologic that makes the Canadian rocket fuel. Here's Daydamp, they've got all their equipment. This is Beekeeping with Natalie's booth. If you watch her channel, here's the Hive Butler. If you're looking for something to move your frames back and forth from the apiary and keep the bees out. Let's see who else we got down here. American Beekeeping Federation, Eastern Apicultural Society, and Maxant. They're another U.S. manufacturer of extractors, cappers, so great stuff there. That's down one aisle, kind of down one aisle. We wandered around a little bit. Let's go over on this next aisle for a second. This is Hilco. John Hill with Hilco LLC. They sell a lot of equipment. They've got some extractors that do a great job. I've got one of their extractors. I quite like it. There's so many people here. Easy peasy guy. These are queen cages. So great stuff. Oh, I don't even think I've been all the way down this row. Lots of beekeepers. Here's Mike Berry. Mother Lode. They've got in-hive feeders. These guys have some just gorgeous beeswax. Apis Engineering. Here's another high-tech queen rearing operation. You can do artificial insemination. That's what that whole microscope setup is for, is just doing artificial insemination. Who else we got here? Apis Biologic. This is the Canadian rocket fuel stuff. Strong microbials, so a probiotic for your bees. The Bee Supply out of Texas. They've got a good booth with a lot of stuff in it. What else we got over here? I haven't even been over on that far row yet, so these guys have got a really cool method for printing labels and cool stuff. All done. That's a quick way to label your bottles. Swinity, if you're looking for a honey bottler. These are automatic bottlers that will just load up the bottle and let it come around, and it'll automatically fill the bottle. Wickwasp Press. These guys probably have every bee book that's ever been written. Here's the beekeeper tool belt. It's a hive tool carrier and some leather work, some kind of cool stuff. Good. Beekeeping Today podcast. Don't know where these guys are at. Be around. We have Better Bee. They're a licensed manufacturer. This is part of Dogwood Honey. These guys have got some licensed equipment too. So let's go down this far row. We haven't been down this row yet since we've been here. Midnight Bee Supply. These guys are different. Maybe Tennessee. Let's see. I've not even heard of some of these guys. Bearsville Bee. Beekeeper beekeepers.com. Jackets, containers.
It's no rush.
Best for bees. These are entrances for your beehive.
We have one for seasons, so it's just beekeepers like the table.
Foxhound. Bee jackets. Here's a line of beekeeping equipment I'm not familiar with. Looks like they're a big line. Oh look, this is Randy McCaffrey and talking with Texas Bee Supply. Saracel. They've got several things that are kind of cool. Peerco with Peerco Foundation, among other things. Be Smart Design. Another insulated hive top. I actually have a couple of these hive tops. Testing them out, see how they work. I actually have a couple of these hive covers with the insulated inner cover that I'm testing. Kind of like it so far. We'll see how the bees do. Again, just a ton of vendors and everything under the sun. So, pretty cool stuff.